Oh, it's dead. All the lights went out. It's making a I undone that bolt, moved this to the side. Didn't take any hoses off. Took this off, took the battery out, took the tray out. This earth strap goes down to, I don't know if you'll see it under the tray. This bolts onto the chassis and then bolts onto, bolts onto, where are you? There, onto the gearbox, and that's the earth strap. Took all that off, cleaned this up, put it all back together. Right, little van update. I don't know if it's where I disconnected the battery and it reset everything, and then that's what made it go, but I took the earth lead off as well because it did show signs of not working properly, like it was a flat battery, and it wasn't. If you get in this situation, disconnect your battery first, put it back together, see if it goes. If it don't, wiggle your earth strap about. If you've got tools, take them off, see how it goes. But I've had 4 glow plugs fitted from the garage, £133. Oil's done, and here we go. Here's the update. No lights. Starts perfect, lovely. I really hope this video helps you out. Please like, comment, and please subscribe. Thank you.